Welcome to Art with Mr. P. Yep, that's me. Welcome to our review on the topics we covered. This file can be used in different ways. If you open the PowerPoint on your device, you can click on each circle on the next page to go to the topic you are interested in viewing. Just click each and it will take you to the start of each chapter. If you are watching on YouTube, you can use the chapter selection in the timeline to move to the chapter you want to view if you have a clear understanding of the other topics. Art labels. These are used to give information about the work being shown. An art label or labels are intended to be used to give information on an item or thing. In other words, it allows these items to speak to the viewer as a way of introducing themselves. Labels on products identify 1. The item, what the product is. 2. The company or brand, meaning who made it. 3. It gives the date. This identifies when it was shipped or made. And content. This identifies what the packaging contains. When we talk about art labels, we're talking about identifying the title. This is what the work is about. The name of the artist. This is who made it. The date. This means when was this work made. And the art medium. This is identifying what was used to make it and what it was made on. So our art label must contain 4 pieces of essential information: title, name of the artist, date, and the art medium. This allows the artist to give the viewer some information about the artwork so that it can be viewed in the way the artist intended. Art subject. What is the emphasis of the artwork? The term subject identifies the main idea or thing. So, in art, we identify works based on 5 subjects. 1. Portraits. These are works showing the upper half of a body. 2. We have figure drawing, works done in dry media showing the entire body. And we have figure painting, works done in wet media showing the entire body. 3. We have landscapes, works showing areas of land. 4. We have seascapes, works showing areas of water. And 5. We have still lifes, paintings or drawings of an arrangement of items, typically including fruits and flowers, and objects contrasting with these in texture, such as bowls and glassware. Portraits. We do have portraits of a body, so it could be animal body, identifying the upper half of that body, which is just the facial features. It identifies whether 1, 2, or a group of items or things. Portraits will also identify the human body, where we pay attention to the facial features of that body. Next, we have our figure drawings. These items are done in dry media, identifying the body in any pose or posture, whether illustration as seen in cartoons or drawings as seen in documentations of a place, person, or thing. Figure paintings are all done in wet media, varying in any style identified. Landscapes identify our areas of land. Seascapes, done in any style, will identify a body of water. When we look at still life, we talk about items that are showing a depiction of a utilitarian object in the house or an item that we may find. So whether it be two items or one or a group of items. Art, movement, or styles. What techniques are used or followed? Art styles identify a method in which an artist finds comfortable to work, or in other words, communicate with the audience or viewer. There are many styles that artists use to communicate. However, the three I find important to note are realism, abstraction, and surrealism. I find these important because 1. Realism helps us to identify with things as we see them, the way we expect them to look. 2. Abstraction allows us to break things down into shapes and elements as we have learned them since the start of our basic education, where we see things as shapes, colors, lines, textures. Surrealism allows us to see things in a way we wished or dreamed or imagined they could be. It identifies with what we call fantasy. Art movements happen when a group of people are so influenced by something, they start to believe it is worth following or doing. A common art movement that is very popular now, especially using the surrealism style, is the use of Instagram filters. We use these to change the realistic look of a picture to make it the way we wish it looked. Or in a way that would allow us to have fun with how we looked, or to add what we call our own special effects to ourselves. Any style can become a movement if this style is followed by many, or in using the technical term, as long as this style goes viral, it will become a movement.